our motherboard. It's the main circuit board of the computer. Here, some located in the part of the CPU, the more important part of the CPU. This is our different ports where our software is connected. This is our printer port. This is our video port, USB port, keyboard port, and our mouse port. This is our memory slot, where the RAM or memory plug is. This is our processor case, where our processor is located. And this is our bridge. Then, the other part of the computer is this is our CPU part, and this is our heatsink. This prevents the CPU from getting too hot. It is located over our CPU or our processor. And this is our memory or RAM. It is located in our memory slot. It holds short-term information of the processor to use. The more of this, the better. It makes the whole system run faster. And this is the important part of our CPU. This is our processor. It's the brain of the computer and the most important chip of the computer. Don't hold this part because every person because this is sensitive, that every person has a electricity that can cause her. And this is our launch board. It is located in our PCI slot. There is more accessories. This is one of the accessories of our computer. This is our floppy disk. Stored information of floppy or disk. This is our hard disk, where all information and programs on the computer is stored. This is our power supply. Supplies power to all parts in the computer. And the other is this is our IDE keyboard. It is connected to our motherboard and to our hard disk. And this is our floppy keyboard. This is connected to our motherboard and our floppy disk. And now, I'm already done introducing you the parts of the computer. I will assemble it again. I will show you how to assemble. First, before we put our motherboard in our CPU, we put first our processor in our motherboard. Just making sure that the pin of the processor is fitted on our motherboard. We put this in our CPU case. And then we put it all four. And this is our CPU fan and the heatsink. We put it over our CPU or processor. We lock it. And now we put our motherboard in our CPU case. Like this. We put this where it is located. Thank you. But then for a while, I forgot to introduce you our PCI slot where our card located, like the LAN card. Then, we put our RAM or memory. Like this. In our memory slot. And now we put our LAN card. Then, we put our lucky test. Put it. Hold that. So it's using the screwdriver. Now, we will put our power supply. Then put it like what we did in the other part of our CPU. And now we can put now our hard disk over our power supply. Now I'm ready done putting on the parts of our CPU. Now we connect now all the connection in the parts of our phone of our CPU.